back here on John's T-Bird, our fuel pump / vacuum pump, all the way above. It's finally arrived. It's here. 2 bolts, a couple fittings, and we should be good to go, boys and girls. Good to go. So we're gonna get started on this. I already started popping our vacuum lines, and of course, one of them said, "Sayonara." So, just rubber, it's easy. So I'll put fresh rubber on that when we get done. And undo our fuel fittings here down at the bottom. In and out are clearly marked. In and out. That's what a hamburger's all about, too. In case you didn't know. So, I do need to clock this differently, it appears. Out or in looks in the right spot, but out looks a little more square. Might be able to just bend that. We should be alright. So let's try that first. Alright, so all of our fuel lines still worked. I didn't have to remove anything on the new pump. And I was able to get everything to fit as it should. And we'll put new fresh vacuum lines here for the wipers and all that. So, new pump's on. Gonna get ready to fire this baby. Alright, so we've got it running. Our fuel pump ain't pumping. Lovely. Just lovely. Okay, so you fill it up full of fuel, but it does not fill the bowl. I'll undo it at the bowl here. Let's see if we're actually getting any fuel. Okay, so I've filled the bowl with the carb, and I've filled our fuel bowl here, and I've actually filled the line from the pump as well. So let's see if it's pumping. That thing is not pumping. Just great. So we know there's fuel in the car. So we were cranking, and it was pumping on its own. Sorry for the zoom, but I'm trying to run the key.